gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. That's a round, so we can sing it later. Or I don't know, maybe
this is a candy.
It's candy. You can do like
Claire used to eat when she was a little girl.
I'm still a little girl.
You're still a little girl. Still a little girl. Always be a little girl.
Forever young.
Forever young, that's right. Hello.
Hello.
Daisy always likes to take a picture of me while I'm taking a picture of her.
Yeah.
So, what is the name of this town? You want to say it? Say it again.
1, 2, 3. 朱家角.
It's funny. It's like, you know, like young children in a classroom.
Yeah.
repeating after the teacher.
Right.
So, is this a canal or like a river?
Now.
A canal.
Yes.
People say this kind of river village, like
one other one.
the Oriental Venice of China.
Oh yeah, because they do this. We went to Venice, and we took a.
People just live in those Asian houses, and then they use boats to do the transportation, like in Venice. But here it's very small village. There's another, bigger ones in the suburb area of Shanghai. So people call that village the Oriental Venice of China.
Yeah, the gondolas in Venice the boats are a little different, but they operate them the same way, like with the oars. See how he's pushing the oar back and forth? That's how they do it in Venice also.
I've been to a bigger village, like this river village, which is bigger, and the boat tour is nicer.
Yeah.
But it's still fun here.
Oh, sure. Have you ever been to Venice? Have you been to Europe?
I dream to. I have to.
You have to, yes, yes, someday.
I always said to myself that no matter whom I'm gonna marry to, but my honeymoon should be in Europe.
Yes, that's right.
There you go.
Be shooter.
Right.
You tell him.
Should be shoot.
That's right.
It must happen. It's part of a
you tell your husband
agreement.
that.
You have to discuss before you
That's
get
right.
married.
That's right. That's right. You say, I must go.
Set a rule that
I must go to Venice.
to marry
Be
me?
shooter.
take me to Europe.
There you go.
That's right.
Actually, Ken's brother was going to get married in Switzerland, but it was too complicated for the paperwork to do it in Switzerland, so they had a surprise wedding in San Diego, and they invited their friends over, and the friends just thought they were coming to a party, and it was a wedding. And then they got married, and then they went to Switzerland. It's kind of fun.
Yeah. Didn't prepare the pattern for them.
No, they didn't know it was going to be.